The response to the 2016 Trump-Clinton election is one that fascinates me. By the way, I just want to say this has nothing to do with politics. There are people that were elated by the election results. There are people that were horrified by the election results. But what's more interesting to me is that there were people that felt as though, from a probability standpoint, that the results were not supposed to happen at all. When we have presidential elections, there are betting websites, gambling websites like Ladbrokes. And the morning of the election, it was predicted that there was about a 1/6 chance that Trump was going to win the election and a therefore 5/6 chance that Clinton was going to win the election. It really underscores this idea that people have a poor notion of what probability fundamentally is. People very frequently, when they learn that something has a low probability of occurring, to them, what that means is that it can't occur. And of course, those aren't the same at all. So a 1/6 chance that Trump is going to win means that if we were somehow to live in a universe where we could run this simulation many times, then 1/6 of those simulations would be favorable to him winning, and 5 out of 6 of those simulations would be favorable to Clinton winning. And it just so happens that we inhabited one of the simulations where he did win. Where you really see this is in events or situations where something has a low but not insignificant probability of occurring. Like, let's just say 1/2 of 1%. Well, 1/2 of 1% is 1 out of 200 times. If you tell people that something has like a 1 in 200 chance of happening, they effectively rule it out. Like, it's not going to happen. And probably it isn't going to happen because it's only going to happen 1 out of every 200 times. But that's not the same as it not occurring at all. So to me, the fact that there are these dynamic financial markets that are essentially assigning probabilities to who's going to win at any given moment in time, and those probabilities change drastically through the days, the weeks, the months, and even the hours of the day of the election, gives us this notion of what the perceived probabilities were by the people in real time as they were absorbing all the available information. So that's very interesting in its own right. But how we as humans tend to interpret what those probabilities mean is just as interesting.